Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this very natural, beautiful look. So remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, here's the video, and thanks for watching. I'm going to start by using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to set my eyebrows, and I'm going to use Morphe M432 brush to do it with. Now I'm going to use BH Cosmetics Contour Palette to set my eyes and use it as an eyeshadow. And I'm going to put that on with my Real Techniques setting brush. And now I'm going to use this lighter shade and put it right on top of it. And there goes my eyeshadow for the day. And now I'm going to apply Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Liner in the color Blackout. And now to add Maybelline's Last Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara in the color Black, I believe. I'm going to now apply Aura Real Mink Luscious Real Mink Lashes in the style 6, I believe this was. I got it from my local beauty supply store, so. As always, I'm going to use my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer in the color Chestnut, which is number 13. I swear by this. This is like the best foundation that I have used thus far. I'm going to apply this with Real Techniques stippling brush Also, I'm going to use the Beauty Blender from the crayon case and a Beauty Blender. I think I just got this from Walmart. I'm not sure, I've had it so long, but I swear by all three of these. And I'm going to take that same concealer that I used in the beginning and just conceal up under my eyes, my chin, my bridge of my nose, and I don't know what this is called at the bottom, Cupid's bow, I guess, and then my forehead. And then I'm going to blend all that out with the crayon case beauty blender. And now I'm going to take Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my face, and I'm just going to set it everywhere that I use the concealer. It's time to bake, and while I'm baking, I'm going to use Bobbi Brown's Stick Foundation in the color Espresso number 10, and I'm just going to contour my cheeks, and I'm going to use the Real Techniques sculpting brush to do that. And now I'm going to use Real Techniques sculpting brush to just dust away all the excess setting powder that I put on. And now to add the crayon case Rosy Glow Res highlighting powder with my Real Techniques fan brush. And now I'm going to just use the Real Techniques setting brush to blend it in. And now I'm going to use the Nuvian by Juvia's Loose Highlighter just to highlight under my eyebrow bone. And for gloss, I'm going to use Morphe's Pixie. I love, and I probably swear by this lip gloss. It's been used in all my previous videos. So. And finally, I'm going to use some pink glitter lip gloss that I just picked up from my local beauty supply store. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like the video. Bye.